I'm sort of here in my little makeshift cube, and if you have like puzzle piece mats, they can really help you orient yourself inside of this box, keep your lines straight. So I'm going to start here in one of the corners of my box, and the handle part of my fans are going to be facing one another here. And the first move is kind of like an isolation on one hand. It's kind of like your fan is just sort of rotating 90 degrees up, while the other fan is just kind of stuck to it. So now you're in this corner with one of your fans forming the top wall of your cube. You're going to shift it over so that fan is switched. Now the other fan is forming the top wall of your cube. And then you're going to do that same isolating movement downwards, and you're going to do that same shifting pattern again. And so you can just sort of repeat the pattern. You can reverse direction. You can